Okay, so we are going to do a pod review today on the Kovin pepper. When you pick that pepper, I got to get these off the plant because it's still early in the season. These fruits have come out in March or something like that. They were already fruiting then, and they've pretty much been sitting on the plant since March, and we're basically at the third week of May. So these plants have been stressed out from transfer shock, but at the same time, I need to get the fruits off them once they start ripening so they can start going into their vegetative growth state again. So here's a look at it of the Kovin pepper. It's quite an interesting pepper. I do not know much about it. The website where I got the seeds from is no longer on the internet. They are gone. So I can't tell you any information about this pepper other than the name called Kovin. I think it's an annuum, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't think this is a chancy. So, all right, so I just want to give you a good look at it. Show you it like that, like this. And let's turn you around. Okay, what's up, guys? And we are going to do a pod review on this pepper, and it's called the Kovin pepper. And don't know much about it. It's probably got some heat on it, but not a lot. I said it earlier, I can't really elaborate on anything on the pepper. I don't know the country it's from. I don't know anything about it because where I got the pepper from, the website is no longer on the internet, and I can't find anything on this pepper. It's a specialty pepper. It's probably from Turkey or Hungary or one of those countries out there, but I can't say that for sure. So here it is, and let's give it a bite. Well, it's a sweet pepper. There's no heat on it at all, and it's very sweet. It literally has like a sugar taste to it. When I eat these peppers, I got to spit these skins out, or else they come flying out of my mouth when I'm shooting a video. It tastes a lot like a red bell pepper, but not quite. This one's actually got like a sugary sweet taste to it. This is a very delicious pepper. Now, my plants are kind of stunting right now because the nights are going down into the low 40s, and then during the day it goes up into the 80s, and that causes a lot of problem for pepper plants. Even though they're in the greenhouse, the temperatures are still getting quite cold in here for it. So the plants are kind of stunty because of that. So I gotta wait until temperatures start staying above 50 anyway before the plant actually starts producing lots of pods. So I'll maybe revisit this pepper. I'll show it to you again. I'll do a pepper plant tour. Once the plant starts growing and putting out flowers and pods, I'll revisit that. I figured I'd give you an early taste test review on it, just so you get an idea what it looks like, what it tastes like. But this is a very delicious tasting pepper. This thing's very, very nice. So I'm gonna take another bite. It's like eating an apple. That is a very, very delicious pepper. Very nice. I hope it picks back up. I think it will now that I took the pepper off it. It'll probably start going into that vegetative growth state. But very nice, a sweet pepper. There's no heat on it. Again, I don't know if it's an annuum, a chancy. I'm assuming it's an annuum because most chancies are usually hot. So I would have to assume that it's an annuum. And if I can't scrub any data from the internet, I'll put it in the title. Kind of looked around really quick. I couldn't find anything on it. If you know anything about this pepper, if you know what country it's from, or where, you know, where you know, if it grows in your country, comment below. Let me know what you know about it and share your thoughts on it. Okay? So that's really about it. I mean, it's a sweet pepper, so we can't get into the heat, but that's your pod review for the Kovin pepper. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.